Curls popping like this with the DIY avocado hair mask. Make sure you stay tuned to the end. Alright, so we're going to start with three things. We have some organic extra virgin olive oil, we have an avocado, and we have some honey. Just a disclaimer, before I did this, I thought I had some honey at home, but clearly, as you can see, I did not. But use what you got, use what you got. But if you want to do this recipe correctly, it is recommended to have at least 2 tablespoons of organic honey. That honey ain't organic either, but it's gonna do what it do, baby. Alright, so as you can see, I'm trying to get this avocado open, and I don't really mess with avocados too much, like I should. So I don't really know if these avocados are like not good anymore, because they're like a little really brown inside, but it's not like I'm eating it, I'm just putting it in my hair, so like don't come for me. I'm pretty sure my hair is still gonna be able to get the nutrients it needs for this hair mask from the avocado. So I'm just gonna go ahead and scoop this in a bowl. As I watch myself do this, I realize I probably should use a spoon, but whatever, it's coming out super easy. Also, by the way, this is gonna be my first time trying this hair mask, so you guys are gonna be with me for the process of doing this for the first time. Alright, so I got this particular brand of organic extra virgin olive oil at Target, if anybody is wondering where I got this brand from. So I'm going to go ahead and pour in 2 tablespoons of this oil. And now I'm going to go ahead and try and get whatever honey I can get out of this bottle. But like I said, the recipe does recommend having at least 2 tablespoons of organic honey. And next time I do this recipe, because I will be doing it again, I will definitely be getting 2 tablespoons of organic honey. So I got a little something out of there, whatever I could get. And now I'm going to just go ahead and mash everything together. And once again, looking back, I should have used a fork for this. I don't know why I used a spoon, but yeah, I mashed it up. Or you know what, you could have even put it in like a food processor or a blender or something if you really want to get it all mixed in together and you don't want too many chunks, because there was definitely a lot of chunks in my hair when I was applying it. Okay, so moving on to the bathroom, I have my spray bottle with a little bit of conditioner in it and my wide tooth comb. So before I apply the hair mask into my hair, I go ahead and spray my entire head and I detangle it with the comb. I don't brush my hair when it's dry, I definitely always wet it. And you're going to see that I continuously, throughout applying the mask, I'm going to keep spraying my hair. So because you see that my hair gets dry, so I want to make sure that it is nice and wet and moisturized. Paying extra attention to my ends because those get dried out super quick. And I know the hair mask does look a little bit nasty. Like I mentioned earlier, really with the chunks, you will just see it sit on your hair, so you really gotta work it in there. So once I'm finished with all 4 sections, I'm just going to go ahead and get some very generous amounts of whatever is left of the hair mask mixture and just apply it all over my hair, my roots, my ends, my in-between, everything, work it in. And if I do say so myself, my hair is looking pretty good right now. It's looking like something happening. So I'm going to go ahead and braid this up. I'm going to let it sit in my hair for about an hour, and then I'm going to wash it out and continue with my normal hair routine. And if you would like to know what that is and what I use in my hair afterwards, comment below and I will make a video for that. And here's my hair like 2 days later. Hope you guys liked this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at AngelGillenOfficial. Peace.